Hey there. Hey there, guys. So, just gonna do a little analysis here. I feel like I might as well record it. Yeah. So we're just gonna look at some Mercury-Jupiter transits because I've got a suspicion that those are important. So here's my theory. So Mercury rules Gemini, Virgo, and Gemini is where we're finding our value, especially right now. And Gemini, of course, rules. Well, Gemini doesn't always rule value, no, but right now Venus is in Gemini, and what do I mean to say here? Gemini rules fintech for sure. Gemini is very financial technology oriented, so we're just gonna see if we can find some themes here around the harmonious or otherwise aspects here. See if we can find any patterns for the year to date. Okay, alright, so let's check it out. Let's just start with this one. Let's see what happened here. Oh, let me finish explaining to you first Jupiter, because Jupiter is expanding, and Mercury is where we're gonna find value expanding around financial technology. So that's just, kind of think about that. We'll see if that holds up. Let me see if I can make this window a bit better here. Okay. Let me fill this in. Okay, great. Okay, so let's start with the first. Okay, that's a nice time to start, huh? January 1, that would have been a good time. So conjunction up here, that's positive. Yep, positive trend the whole time there. You? Yes.
What? Yes, what?
I'm recording,
Oh, you're recording right now.
yeah, I'm gonna do well, I'm really just like looking at it, and I feel like if I'm looking at it, I may as well be talking about it. You know what I mean?
Sure.
Cool. So yeah, that was all positive that whole time. That was the conjunction, and that really makes sense. That makes sense on the face of it, why that would be like that. Because it's expanding it. The conjunction, that just means it's right next to it, it's exactly in the same place in the sky, right there. So from there, it built, so it's going to build. These are all harmonious aspects, so it could, I bet there's a theme between the beginning here and all the way to there, so let's check that out. So yep, the first all the way to 26. So yeah, that would have been good. But see, it dropped from here, so that's the 17, ending the 5 degree and going into the 10 degree there. So that was all a drop, around there. So wonder why that is. So that ended, and so there was the aspect between a semi-sextile and a sextile. So like a semi-sextile is like 1/12 of the whole sky, and sextile is 1/6 of the whole sky. So you've got all those degrees in between there. So you've got yeah, that might be more difficult sort of angles to deal with. So let's look at what happened from 29 to the 2nd. Alright, so building. From 29th to the 2nd, for sure, yeah. Yep, that's a positive. So we got a correlation so far between positive aspects and going up. Alright, but what about from 29 to... Yep, we did that. I said that was a sextile, but really it was the sextile that built all the way through to the square. So let me look back at that again, make sure I didn't really miss something important. So 29 to the 2nd there. Come on. Yeah, it's not, you know, it's not this, but you know, it's a little bit of a gain. Okay, but look, so then we go back into a harmonious aspect from the 3rd to the 7th. So what happened there? Yep. Yep, that's another big gain. Yeah. Alright, so the 7th, so the 3rd there. There's such tight aspects, and like there's only like a day missing there because like it's a really fast moving planet, and it would make sense. Okay, so the 2nd to the 12th there. Oh, yep, that's trine Quincunx. So the 2nd to the 12th. Okay, yep, that's all great. So, alright, but what happens? Where is this? What's this range here? So, July 8th, so we're gonna, wait, stupid. Wait, yeah, dumb. So the 3rd to the 17th. Okay, so that's where we're at. And the 17th, 18th. So it's a Quincunx opposition Quincunx. 9, so that's 18. So that's like a, you know, it's like a wave going one way. Maybe we'll see the wave go the other way here. So 28, 218 to 222. What's that? Just some ups and downs. Just like some little ups and downs there. It's kind of flat up and down around that nice time to sell there. People probably really did not know whether to sell or buy right there. Even though they should have known, you know. But, okay, let's see, 24, oh, 24, let's go to the 3-month chart. No, yeah, is that gonna work? Yeah, I can do that. Yeah. I'm tired when I'm doing this right now, but, you know, it's just really fun for me, so 2018, 22, so 218 to 228. So that's 223 right there, so 222. It's the end of that for sure. That's over. So the second trine, 224 to 228. Yep, that's a big fall off. So that's the first time we've seen a big major fall off with that trine. Alright, so but then so there's some time. There's a gap there. A little bit. 4, that's 2, 8. Well, actually, that's probably the last day of February, isn't it? Second to last. So. Alright, the 6-day period, square, 3-2, 3-8. Oh. So it was really a downward pattern. So like there's been a downward pattern since the 24th with this new trine aspect. So it's a trine, so I can already see the pattern here. So this was a conjunction going to a trine, and this is going to be a trine going to a conjunction. You see how this is the same as the very top line there? Yeah, so that might be our good trading space. We're gonna have to test that out, see if that stands up. But let's make sure that this is a downward pattern the whole time for sure, okay? Because we don't know yet. Okay, so 3-8, so 3-11 through 3-17. Yep. Yeah, that's not great. That's really bad. So like straight fall off with a tiny hump of gains right there, okay? Oh, okay. Cool, this is neat, isn't it? It's kind of standing up, maybe. We'll see if it keeps standing up or not. I think Mercury's really good for these day trades or like weekly sort of analyses. Like, it's gotta be because it's so fast moving, such a fast moving planet. And Jupiter's gonna be expanding and contracting with that. And there's tons of other planetary aspects that are gonna, be causing like the huge shifts in the market that we see. But yeah, let me go back on airplane mode real quick. This one probably won't get uploaded. I guess not. I mean, I really can't put anyone on blast. But hey, so yeah, sextile 311 through 317. Yep. Yeah, I got distracted. I already did that one. And 321, 329. So yeah, nothing again. Just hopping between humps here. So like, that's pretty interesting. If these these dips right here have corresponded exactly with that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So like from there to there, and that's I don't want to talk about that right now. But yeah, the 29th, let's just keep going and see what we find before I get off on so we're back at the conjunction, so I bet things are going to really improve. Okay, 4-1 to 4-8. Okay. Yep, things are good now. And now we're ending on highs here with the aspects instead of lows. That's cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. If I can use this is like pretty great. Okay. 4-8. So now we're back in this pattern that I'm predicting is going to be the positive win pattern. Conjunction to quincunx there. So we're going to look at this area to be our gaining time. And let's just look at the 1 year, see if that stands up. Oh no, we'll look at the 1 month at this point. See if that stands up. Okay, so let's just take a look This as a whole, where are we at? 423 is where we're at. Okay, so if I do this, can I see the dates? No, I can't. I can't see the dates with this chart, but it's okay. We'll just keep chugging along. 412 to 418. Yep, that's a solid one. Okay, 412 to 418. Yep, and then yeah, so that semi-sextile is sextile. Is that a difficult aspect? Was there a drop between this day and this day, 18 to 21? Yeah, there was. That's really cool. That's definitely where it went down that time too. So that's pretty neat. Unfortunate I can't upload this because I don't want to. Okay, so when did this next one begin? 420 to 423. Yep. And I don't think it stopped going up last time this happened either. Yep. So we're looking for this to be like this. Okay, does that stand up? 24 to 26. Yep. 124 to 126. Yeah, but it's not very important. Like, that's not that important right there. And that looks like it could be anything, doesn't it? But we know that it's going to go up here. But okay. So not really that important gains right there. But after that, did it dip? Did it dip from there to there in 26 to 29? No, it just went up. Oh, okay. It mostly just went up, but really that's not very important, is it? So next we're looking at this square aspect. So what happened last time from 29 to 31? Just more gains. It's just going to be straight gains all the way. So that's the 7th. Yeah, I'm gonna have to re-record this video for you, my friends, to take advantage of these potential gains. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So like that stood up the whole way, so that correlated all the way. So if this is the time you want to gain, wait, yeah, and then you want to sell once we get here. So yeah, 20, it's at 215. So it looks like that's the last day. It's the last good day, and that's 215, right around the opposition there. What was the exact time, just for interest's sake? It's 1 o'clock. I can't tell, but yeah, that's all really good, isn't it? Okay, yep. Can't really say more. I might just try to find a way to block out any personal info there and just upload this, because it's all there. I mean, that's the long and short of that. Really describes where the market went. So I'm gonna maybe make another video and I'll do like last year. I'll do all of last year too. See if it stands up. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. God bless.